Okay, so today I will be showing you guys how to print the PVC ID cards using the TS704 Canon printer. So first and foremost, once you open CorelDRAW, make sure your page is set to A4 and the unit measurement should be in millimeters. So I already have designed two ID cards, one in portrait, one in landscape. So you can design your ID card using Corel or whatever program that best suits you. So for the first tray, I'm gonna use the landscape card. So I'm gonna set it. So you set the first tray at 104. The x-axis for the first tray should be 104.643. 643. Okay, the size of the card should be 85.5 millimeter. And then on the y-axis for the first tray, you set it at 178.461. The size of the card should be at 53.5 millimeter. So that's done. So that's the setting for the first card. So now for the second card, as you can see, it was designed in portrait. So we cannot print it using the Canon TS704 unless we adjust it to 90 degrees. So you press 90 degrees here on the rotation and select, then it's gonna be rotated, and now it can be printed using the same printer. So the X, after you have rotated it to 90 degrees, the x-axis should be at 105. Remember, this is the axis for the second card. So 105.17 millimeters. And the size of the card should be 85.5 millimeters. So now on the y-axis for the second card should be 117.917 millimeters. Okay, and the size of the card should be 53.5. Okay, so once you have confirmed this, so the second card 105.17 millimeters on the x-axis and 117.917 on the y-axis, at 53.5 millimeter on the y-axis and at 85.5 millimeter on the x-axis. The card is ready for printing on the second tray. Then the first one, as you can see, sometimes it may move, it may readjust itself. So the x-axis has gone to 99 millimeter. So before you command it, make sure you double check. So I'm gonna set it again back to 104.643 on the x-axis at 85.5 millimeter. This is for the first card, remember. And then we're gonna set the y-axis at 178.461. Okay, so now I believe it's ready. Okay, so once you have done all this, you now go to File, then you go to Print, you select the printer, the TS700 series, then you go to the settings, you select standard, then on the media type you select others, then on others you select printable disk. It will ask you paper source, automatically select is not available for the selected media type. You select OK. Then on the printer paper size you select multi-purpose tray. Okay, so once you have confirmed the printable disk and multi-purpose tray, you select OK. Then you apply. And now you can check the